What's up, you guys? Stealthy RS here, and once again with another video just for you. Today we're doing a little install. Once again, we're taking the bumper off and doing the front mount intercooler by Mountune. So make sure you stay tuned and let's have a little fun.
Bring the jack stand.
Alright guys, time to swap out the factory intercooler. Got the bumper off, bumper sitting down there. Alright guys, so we got most of the charge piping already on. Unfortunately, we are missing a part. We were aware of this before we started the project, but it's okay. We have to take the bumper off for a future project to install the Velocitech Big Mouth. So, now it's time to put the intercooler back in. Alright guys, got everything buttoned back up. Time to take this for a little test drive. Alright guys, and that concludes today's video. So if you've enjoyed the video, drop that thumbs up. Leave a comment below with any comments that you may have. And of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.